are so many tech trends at the moment that it's incredibly hard to keep up with them all. And I know I do, and I record a daily tech podcast. But InsurTech is a topic that seems to keep reappearing on my radar, and I don't know why I'm surprised, especially considering the nature of their business. For example, recently I came across a company called Slice Labs, which is a tech company providing on-demand digital service ecosystems for the new economy. And they launched something called Slice Mind, which is an insight engine powered by behavioural science, AI and machine learning. And by combining data with human behaviour, Slice Mind is providing valuable insights about customers and actually helping them drive business decisions about current and future products and service offerings. And it's actually using technology to be able to predict by forecasting risks, events, customers, products, incidents, and actually apply incidents to influence actual results. And also learn with models that actually reproduce outcomes and drive future changes based on historical insights. Absolutely fascinating, this technology. But I wanted to find out more. So buckle up and hold on tight so I can beam your ears all the way to Ottawa in Canada so we can speak with Slice Labs CTO Stuart Baserman. And we're going to dive deeper into the tech behind Slice Mind and how that insight engine works. So a massive warm welcome to the show, Stuart. Can you tell the listeners a little about who you are and what you do?
Sure. I'm Stuart Baserman, Chief Technology Officer and one of the co-founders of Slice Labs. Slice provides a cloud-native insurance cloud service platform for insurers and others to create and operate on-demand insurance services. We're currently working globally and have offices in the US, Canada, and Great Britain. In fact, we recently started to sell on-demand insurance for home-sharing hosts in Great Britain.
Wow. Well, I mean, InsurTech is a huge trend at the moment. It's doing incredibly well. But before we talk about Slice Mind, what really attracted me to you guys is that you've always been interested in how you apply technology to improve our lives. So can you tell me a little bit more about your story and why that is so important to you?
Sure. My background is in engineering, and as an engineer, I love to use and create technology to solve real problems. And I don't think I'm any different from any of us. I get a great sense of accomplishment and satisfaction when something I've created or helped to create makes a positive impact or it gets used by many people. I've been working in InsurTech for many years, so some people might see improving our lives through insurance as a bit of a stretch. I guess I see it a bit differently. I see risk-taking as essential to progress, and I see insurance as enablers, insurance and Slice as enablers of this progress. So we already have some examples of Slice of how we've helped positively impact people's lives through insurance.
I think it's so important to learn more about you and your story, especially when we're talking about tech that carries a stigma in certain circles. So Slice Mind is a new insight engine leveraging data from AI, machine learning and behavioural science to provide actionable insights for better decision making. But can you tell me a little bit more about how Slice Mind allows companies to discover new customer groups and help them further personalise customer engagement, risk assessment and forecasting, all through combining data from multiple sources?
So Slice Mind is a new business unit of Slice Labs, and it emerged out of our work that we've been doing on our platform over the past few years. We've worked with our partners to reimagine and create new all-digital, on-demand versions of existing insurance products, and we've created completely new on-demand insurance products. All of these products share some common attributes, namely engaging customer experiences, and they're all very efficient to operate. But underpinning all of these new experiences are a combination of data, AI, machine learning, and behavior science. So Slice Mind's capabilities, which include prediction, simulation, scoring, and nudging, can be used independently to perform standalone analysis to derive insights and deepen understanding of things like customer portfolios, loss ratios, and pricing. And we can combine these capabilities in a complementary way that allows us and our partners to do things like influence and personalize customer experiences and drive continuous digital underwriting and run experiments.
So, I mean, when I introduced you, I talked about InsurTech there. So, how do you think SliceMind is going to impact the industry at large?
I think SliceMind contributes to the transition to a more efficient and transparent system of insurance. We help to move the ball forward for the industry with an ability to use data. And this is data from all sorts of different sources, like, for example, IoT. We also have an ability to use behavior to enable the design and operation of new insurance products. And these new insurance products really elevate the customer experience to sort of parallel the experiences that people have come to expect from other digital experiences that they experience in their lives when they use other non-insurance services. So, but as we move beyond great customer experience and a traditional view of insurance, I think SliceMind will be an enabler of protection services that really protect people, and by that, people and businesses really protect them. In that these services help them to avoid losses.
And for all our international listeners that are tuning in and hearing about Slice Labs and SliceMind for the very first time, do you have any use cases to share that could possibly highlight how SliceMind is combining AI, machine learning and behavioral psychology and putting it all into that engine and transforming data insights into actions in order to deliver real business value and an advantage for companies that are actually looking to future-proof themselves? Is there anything that you can share that would help bring all that to life?
I can try. Our partners face many challenges, and I believe SliceMind can help to address many of them. For today, a challenge that I hear often is that insurers are trying to become digital or perhaps more digital so that they could be more efficient and provide better service to their customers. Our platform can obviously help them to do this. And so a few use cases come to mind, SliceMind use cases come to mind. One is an ability to predict claims, so a claims prediction capability to identify where and when losses might occur, so that we can then provide mitigation protection strategies or just loss prevention strategies. Another use case is fraud prevention in the claims reporting and processing processes, where we use a combination of behavior science, machine learning to drive honesty. And then another use case is a preferred customer program that applies nudging to drive behavior, aiming to ultimately improve risk profiles of selected customers.